guys, I hope you're well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you've not been here before. I'm Sinead Crowe and I do weekly fashion and styling videos, and today I'm doing an Asos sale haul. So I did a few sale hauls, I'll link them all in the description below and up here and everywhere before I went away. So I did all of my luxury items that are on sale. You should definitely check that out because some of those have dropped hugely again. And I also did an Asos sale haul and a H&M sale haul and a Topshop sale haul, so check them all out. And they've all added to the sales now, and they've got way better since I got back. So I've got a Asos sale haul for you today, and I've also ordered from Mango and Zara, so I'll be filming those for you over the next couple of days, so make sure you stay tuned for those. So I'm not going to blabber on, it's been less than a minute, which I'm super proud of, so we'll get into it. So I've got tons of things here. So we're just gonna get straight into it. Oh, I remember this one. This looks really cute. I ordered quite a lot of summery things, so these are more like for your summer holidays or like just the summer in general. I love the colour of this. It looks such a nice colour online, and now I'm looking at it and it looks even nicer. So it's this really pretty blue, I'm not colourblind, it's grey, and it's got white and green stripes on it, and it's got this lovely halter neck detail and button up. They are working buttons, so I mean if you wanted to you could like undo it. I guess that's the way you put it on too, which is a bit inconvenient, but it's fine. So this is the dress on, and it's so pretty. I love the colour, it's so nice and tan. It fits really well even here, which I'm surprised at because I've got no boobs. And the back, the low back is so pretty. I really like the back detail. The only issue I have is this bit here is way too tight. So I need to size up to a 10. I hope this is an 8, not a 10. I need to size up. And I will put sizes and prices in the description below, as I said. But I don't know if it will fit as well everywhere else. This is the problem. I'm quite wide here, but I've got really small boobs. So sometimes I feel like if I size up, I might be gaping here, but I do think it's worth a try. I really like the way it kind of like goes out here. It's such a pretty dress, honestly. I've got another halter neck dress. I can tell by the buttons on it. And I think I actually love this so much I ordered the top version and the dress version. I feel like last time I ordered in such a hurry that I didn't have a proper look at the sale, because this time I found so many, unless they've added to it, I found so many more things I loved. So this is like a linen black dress, and it is a midi dress, and it's a halter neck. It's got a really nice low back, it's elasticated, it's got wooden, like a belt detail, and the belt is attached, and then it's also got the buttons, but unlike the other dress, the buttons don't actually undo. So that kind of puts me off it a little bit, because I like on a midi dress to undo a few buttons, because I'm used to wearing a shorter dress, so I sometimes like it when you get a little peek of leg, but we'll see, let's try it on. Okay, so what do you guys think? I actually really like this. I think it comes to a really nice point on the leg. It's really comfortable actually, and like airy. I feel like this would be a really good one for like a super hot day, because your whole back and armpits can breathe. And I feel really secure too. Like, don't feel like anything's gonna pop out. Like I could dance the night away and be fine. So yeah, I really like this. I think this is a really good one as well for like summer days if you have things to do, like meetings and stuff, because you can be really warm but still feel like smart because you've got on. Though this is quite, but you could put a blazer on when you go to see people. Should we try it with a blazer? See, you could just pop a blazer on if you had a meeting, and hopefully they would think that then it was a respectable outfit and they wouldn't see the back. The blazer's there. So you can tell it was like really, really warm when I did this order, because this is another dress. And it is very soft. This is, what material would you call this? Maybe like seersucker? I'm not sure, but it's so soft. Honestly, I'm shocked. I'm gonna keep this as a nightie. It's quite like, yeah, it's really soft. So it's like a summer dress. I love this shade of blue, and it's got an elasticated neckline, so you could wear it like this, or you could wear it like this. And it's got a really nice like detail that goes, I don't know what you call it, like it's like a cup, but obviously it's not underwired, and it's got a really nice bow detail, some crochet detailing, buttons which are functional, and yeah, it's really pretty. It's actually sewed together at the bottom though, so you've got functional buttons, but you can't, you could just probably open them, but then it'd be done up at the bottom. Oh no, it's not, it's done up all the way. So it's functional, but then it's actually got material behind it. So if it did pull on then, it wouldn't look like skin coming through, which is quite good actually, because I've had that with dresses before, when like you have, it fits fine when you go out and then you have lunch and then it's like, and then you're like, oh well. So this is a blue dress. I actually really like it with the shoulders up. I think it's really cute. It's a really nice length because it's not too short, like my bum end's here. So you could bend down or twist and turn, your bum's not going to come out, but it's still like not long. Like I like this length because it still feels like you're wearing a short dress and it feels pretty and girly, but it doesn't feel like you're exposing yourself. And again, as well, similar thing with the neckline. Like it's a really nice low neckline. Doesn't feel like anything's going to slip, and doesn't feel too low that you like wouldn't wear it to certain occasions. You can wear it off the shoulder. To me, I mean, I don't have boobs, so I've got nothing to hold it up. I feel like it's a bit risky. I'd be a bit worried about it dropping down, and honestly I don't think it looks as nice. Maybe like on the shoulder it would look cute, but yeah, I think this is the way that I like it the most. I think the back is pretty plain and simple, not much going on, but this is a really nice colour and it's so nice of a tan. Okay, next we have the top version of the midi dress I just showed you. And it's got different buttons. Maybe it's made by a different brand, it's just super similar. So, no, it's still Asos own brand. So this is like a really cute little, again, no functional buttons, a really cute little peplum top, low back, and it's halter neck, and it's got a wooden thing, but it's got, I don't know why they decided to not do wooden buttons with this one. It's tortoise shell buttons. But yeah, it's really cute. I feel like the top would be really nice with like white jeans as well, or like denim shorts. Very cute. How cute is this little top? I love it. It's so comfortable. I don't know if it is linen or cotton. No, I think it's linen. It's so comfortable. I love the details, and I feel like, oh, it's good too, because it was actually, I was just thinking like, oh, it's a bit big for me, but you can pull this so it makes it tighter. And really like the low back detail. I think it's really cute. It comes quite low. It does feel, I feel like it feels secure here, but of course I am small chested, so I don't really have to think about things like that, because there's nothing wobbling around. Literally I can jump and nothing's going to go flying out. But yeah, I really like it. It's really comfy. It's dress. I think they might have had it in white too, so if they do I'll link it below. But I actually quite like the black, and I don't have as much black in my wardrobe, and it just looks really nice with denim shorts actually. I think it looks nice with jeans, or just like anything really. I feel like it's quite a simple top, you could dress up or down. I really like it. What do you guys think? Would you wear this? Oh, I've got some sandals, and honestly, these were the bargain of the haul. I think, I might be wrong, but I think they were definitely under £5. I think they were £4, and I was literally like, I've got to order those and try them because that's outrageous. And they're literally, it's so minimal. It's just 2 straps, one on the toe and one around. I think they'd be so nice on holiday, and I'm loving the whole like minimal trend at the moment, but I don't really have any minimal flat sandals. I've only got the strappy ones, so I thought these would be like perfect for if you still want to have that look, but you're not wanting to wear heels because it's not comfortable sometimes. And yeah, I've only really got my Chanel sandals, which are like, well, I've got other sandals, but I've only got like bulky granddaddy style sandals, or flip-flops. I don't have anything that's like more sleek and like modern and sophisticated looking. Okay, this is the Bargainous sandals. They're a bit too big for me, and normally that thing wouldn't bother me, but when I walk, there's not much holding my foot in anyway. Do you see what I mean? So I feel like I definitely need the right size. Apologies about my terrible strap marks. My sandals rubbed off a fake tan. But yeah, these are really nice, and they're such a bargain for £4, but they're a bit too wide on me. So maybe I need to try the size 7 because I'm actually an 8. Or see, I don't know, do they have what, wide fit or non-wide fit? Like narrow fit? Or just be like, these don't fit me. But if you have got wide feet, or you think you can try them, like, it's definitely worth it because it's free returns and they're £4. So I've got something here from Boohoo. Boohoo women's slogan is white. I do not remember seeing this. Do I? order this? Oh, I think I ordered it because I thought it was plain white and had that on it, and I didn't realise it was metallic, and I'm just... New York woman, London woman, Paris woman. Yeah, not sure on this. I think this is definitely going back. Yeah, I definitely was tired and jet lagged when I ordered this, so. So this is a sweatshirt that I will definitely be returning. I honestly don't know what I was thinking, because first of all, it's like way too small for me. This is a children's sweatshirt, and I normally order things like this way oversized, and it's metallic. Like, I don't like shiny things unless they're diamonds. God, I sound so spoiled. I don't like the Cubans going anywhere, but I like shiny jewellery. I don't like shiny clothes. So not really sure why I ordered this, but I thought I'd be doing you a disservice if I didn't try it on, just to show you that no, you should definitely not buy this. So I've been stung by this before. I once ordered a pair of jeans from Revolve, and I looked, they were the same name, to be fair, as the pair that I already had and loved. So I was like, yeah, they're fine. Got them, didn't look at all the pictures, got them. They had a gigantic rip just below the butt cheek. I was like, oh, that's interesting. That is not what I thought it was. Oh, I remember getting this. This is the cutest little bag. It's from Mango at Asos, and it's like a wooden beaded like flat bag. And I thought this was really interesting because I've not really seen them like this before. I've only really seen like the basket style ones. I've not seen like a crossbody one. And I thought that was really cute, and it'd be so nice on holiday too. Such a cute little holiday bag. So this is the bag. What do you guys think? I actually think it looks so nice with this white dress. Don't you think it's like the perfect colour match, like a wooden bag with the white dress? I actually really like the way it hangs crossbody. Let me show you it on the shoulder. I mean, it still looks cute on the shoulder, but I definitely think it looks like the best as a crossbody. I wonder if you could also make it a bum bag. I feel like it would just need, you'd need to like put a bobble on it or something. I don't know if it'd look good from behind, but it would look really cute as a bum bag if you could figure out a way of doing it. And then last but not least, we have something, I think this is a midi skirt. I remember ordering, I wanted to order a midi skirt, but I can't remember if I found one, and I think I did. I did, and this is it. This is from Asos' own brand again. Oh, is this a midi or a maxi? This is a super long midi. I'm not too keen on the material. It's a bit like, it's kind of like in between cotton and satin. It might be nice on. And it's like a nudie skin tone. It's a weird thing to say, but I feel like it is skin tone. With white like paint strokes on it. It's really cute actually. I think this could be nice actually. I quite like the longer length because I'm quite tall, so I feel like it will look on me. So like obviously you guys all know, because I bang on and on and on about her. My favourite blogger is Monique. She's petite, so I love the way that a midi skirt looks on her because it looks a bit longer, kind of goes to like her shins, whereas midi skirts on me kind of go just below the knee, so I feel like this could look really like the perfect length on me. Oh, it's got bits of pink in it too, can you see? The brush strokes have got like pink and white on them. That's really pretty actually. Okay, I'm quickly coming around to this dress, we'll see. The skirt, sorry. I'm so upset about this skirt. So I really like the length, I really like the colour, I really like the shape, but this seam, the zip, where the zip's been sewn in, is so strange. They've just really done it wrong, and I tried to twist it so that this was the back, and it, honestly, it's not, I'll show you. This is definitely meant to be the side, because this seams, look, it just looks really strange. So yeah, maybe that's the back, I don't know. No, I just don't think it really works. I mean, it's a really nice skirt other than that. I like the length of it. I'd say it's definitely more of a maxi skirt than a midi skirt. But yeah, I don't know, maybe this is just a faulty one though, so if you really like it, maybe it's worth ordering and seeing. If you do order it and see, then I'd love for you to leave me a comment to let me know if it is just a one-off. If you were me, would you order it again? What do you guys think? Would you order it again and see if it is just a one-off? Or do you think it's just bad quality? Don't bother with it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of everything that I got. What do you think I should keep? What do you think I should get rid of? I honestly think the sales are getting better and better. Like, I think this sale haul from Asos is 10 times better than my last one, but if you haven't seen that, make sure you check it out. I'll put it here. You should definitely check it out and then leave me a comment and let me know which one you think is best. But I think all these pieces are way more like timeless, shall we say. Like, they're neutrals and they're like summery, but they're not too like of the moment, where I feel like maybe my other stuff was. But I would love to hear what you guys think, and let me know if you've got any holidays planned or anything, because I have not got any more holidays planned. So I feel like I need to book something in. I have got something very exciting that's just happened to me, like a life moment, and as soon as it's all confirmed, I'll be telling you guys about it, and there might be a new series on my YouTube channel, so watch out for that. You can leave a comment in below if you want to guess what it is. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, do everything you want and can. I will love you forever. And if you want to see more of me, head over to my Instagram. I'll put my handle up here. Do like Instagram stories and stuff, and just post daily my outfits, and I will see you next time. Thank you.